Hey guys, today I am going to show you how I make some delicious coconut rice in my kitchen, so keep on watching. In the pot, I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To that, I will add 1.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So if you have margarine, guys, you could go ahead and use it. So I will be doing this on a low flame. After I finish adding the butter, I will add 3 minced medium garlic cloves. Then I'm going to stir it so that it can infuse and develop some flavor before I finish adding the rest of the ingredients. So now I am going to add a few pimento seeds. So do not add a lot of pimento seeds. You can add like 6 or so, but do not over add it. So now guys, I'm going to add 2 stalks of scallion. As you can see, I washed them. So now I'm going to twist them in my hand just to break them up a little. If you like, you could use the back of a knife to crush it, but I chose to use this step, alright, Jamaican style. Afterwards, I'm going to add 2 sprigs of thyme. So guys, when you're cooking the coconut rice, you do it similar to when you're cooking the rice and peas, except when we're cooking the rice and peas, we add the liquid, then we add the seasoning. But for this recipe, you season up the pot first, then you add your liquid, okay? I will be adding a maggi vegetable cube into the pot, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to stir it. Then I'm going to add salt, but you can add the salt to your taste. I'll be adding about a tablespoon of salt. Then I'm going to add a little black pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, because I don't want it to be very spicy, because I'm going to add scotch bonnet pepper. Now I'm going to stir it. So when I do it this way, it will be full of flavor and it will have you coming back for more. Here I have 500 milliliters of natural coconut milk. You can add coconut cream if you like, but I'm using the coconut milk. To that, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Guys, I added a cup of water off camera. So 1 cup equal to 250 milliliters. After I finish stirring it, I'm going to add a little oregano. I like oregano in my rice, but I'm not sure if you guys like it, so it's optional. Then I'm going to add a scotch bonnet pepper. I am going to cover the pot and let the coconut milk cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on a very low flame. This is how it looks after 15 minutes. So I'm going to stir it. Then I'm going to add 2 pounds of white rice. You can add whichever rice you like, guys. I am going to use a fork to gently mix it, because I don't want my scotch bonnet pepper to burst. Also guys, I like to remove my scallion, so I'm going to search for all the pieces, then I'm going to remove it. But if you like, you could leave yours in it, but I don't like to cook rice and then when I finish cooking it, the scallion it mash out in the pot, and I don't like it that way. So if you like it that way, guys, do it the way you like it. I am going to cover the pot and let the rice steam on a very low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is the way I steam rice. If you do it otherwise, do it your way. After the rice has been steaming for 20 minutes, I am going to check to see if it steams properly. If it does, then I'm going to put out the flame. If not, then I'm going to add some more water and cover it with plastic and let it steam for an additional 10 minutes. So guys, here I am adding about a quarter cup of water. Here I am adding plastic, but you can cover yours with foil. So ensure that you cover it properly so all the rice will be steamed properly. So what I like to do, I like to add the plastic on top of the rice. Then I'm going to sprinkle a little water on the plastic. Then I'm going to cover it. When you add a little water, it will steam very well. So guys, my rice is all done. It smells so good and it's delicious. So I hope you guys will give this recipe a try. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please do tell a friend and let a friend tell a friend what's happening over here, so that they can come over and be a part of this awesome family. Thanks for watching.